Good morning, my dear students. I hope you guys are feeling good and enjoying my lectures. Well, as you know that we have started the lecture series of class 10th biology in my channel, namely Biology Prime. And we have started from the life processes and we have almost completed the autotrophic nutrition. Well, let's have a quick recap about autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Well, it is combination of two words. Auto simply means self, and trophic means nutrition. Simply autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Well, we were talking about autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, and tropic means nutrition. So we can define. I can write here. It is that mode of nutrition where living organisms that mode of nutrition where living organisms or we can say green plants simply synthesize their food by using inorganic compounds means which are not carbon based, such as we can say carbon dioxide and water. These are inorganic compounds. Well, but you should remember that sunlight and chlorophyll is necessary. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll we can write, right? So autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition where living organisms such as green plants, or you can say cyanobacteria, green plants synthesize their food using inorganic carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This is called autotrophic nutrition, and that mode of nutrition. These are now we can define autotrophs. What is then autotrophs? Autotrophs simply means those organisms we show autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs autotrophs. For example, we can say a simple example is plant cyanobacteria. These are the common examples we usually prefer, right? Now, you this autotrophic nutrition we studied in our previous lecture. Now, today's topic is types of autotrophic nutrition. Types of autotrophic nutrition. Well, there are mainly two types of autotrophic nutrition. One is photoautotrophic. Well, the name itself says photo means light, you know that, and autotrophic already I mentioned is that type of nutrition which the green plants or the living organisms uh, prepare their food, right? They prepare their food or synthesize their own food. This is called autotrophic. Photoautotropic, simply we can define that it is a type of autotrophic nutrition, right? Isn't it? Tropic nutrition, where living organisms utilize sunlight. Photo means sunlight, I already told you, to synthesize their food. Simply synthesize their food. This is called photoautotropic. For example, same examples as I mentioned earlier, plants and cyanobacteria. And the second type of autotrophic nutrition is chemoautotropic. Chemoautotropic. Sam, it is not a rocket science, right? Chemoautotropic means simply that type of autotrophic nutrition where living organisms utilize chemicals. chemicals to perform, or I can say to manufacture or synthesize their food. For example, we can see that nitrogen fixing bacteria, nitrosomonas. And another example, we can say that purple sulfur bacteria, they use hydrogen sulfide H2S to manufacture their food. Well, this is all about autotrophic nutrition, types of autotrophic nutrition. In the next upcoming lecture, we will see how the plants or the living organisms which carry this autotrophic nutrition, how they manufacture their food, and the process by which they manufacture food, that we call photosynthesis. We will discuss photosynthesis in details, right? And we will see all about, and in that lecture we will in hopefully complete this autotrophic nutrition, right? And then we will move to the next, that is heterotropic nutrition. This is all about for today's lecture. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you feel that any confusion or any question regarding this very topic, so feel free to comment below. And if you like my videos, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe my this channel, that is Biology Prime, for further videos. Thank you.